Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 1st, 2022. We are going to talk about blink charging today. Yeah, it's been a very long time. The last time I did a video in blink charge was actually back in the last year, in December the 19th. Was the last time I did a video in blink charging, and now I'm coming through again to give you all a heads up as to why this still may be a short, as to why this stock may continue to drop in price. And we're going to simply look at the price and the volume to make that determination. So welcome to my channel. To those who are new, this is what I do. I simply come through and drop price predictions so that everyone can see that you can actually predict prices without being confused, without being nervous, and you don't have to make it complex or complicated. You don't. Just pay attention and look at what I'm doing, and you all will be able to do this for yourself. Now, let's go ahead and first of all, let's talk about the price performance of blink charging against my last price prediction, and then after that I'll go ahead and show you what I think next. All right, so check this out. Here we are. I did a video in blink charging right here on December the 19th, 2021. I was weak into the market in blink charging then, and needless to say, it did go down. Like, we had plenty of opportunity to see the stock go down, right? Massive opportunities to be profitable in this prediction. So now that came to pass. I'm not surprised. I knew the price was overwhelmingly weaker than it was stronger. So we went ahead and fell through with this price prediction. 22.77% profitability, numerous times, numerous days to where we could have profited from the moves, right? The last trade could have got around 32%. So that's done. That is over. We just need to talk about what are the chances of us seeing blink charging continue to go lower, right? What are the chances? Let's try to figure it out, because I already got two lines plotted on the chart. Now, these two lines represented where we needed to see buyers. Buyers needed to come through and prop up blink's charging price here. First of all, around $25.40, give or take. They didn't do it. The market price in blink charging right here during this time frame got rejected on this level, right? This is the play-by-play. The sellers was able to bring price in blink charging below $25.45, right? During the beginning of the year. The buyers was able to lift price in blink charging back up here to $25.45, and it got rejected. Like, it was still acting as a lid. The buyers could not overpower the sellers at $25.45 until this time, mid-March. The buyers was able to bring price just a little bit higher towards 30, and look at us today. We are now trading below $25.45. So that's a firm area of selling. That is where the sellers have a stronghold in blink charging's price. So now, going forward, we know that as long as blink charging's price stays below $25.45 is weak, because that's where the stronghold for sellers are at. They're being very reluctant in letting that price trade above that level. Okay. Now, seeing that we are in weakness, seeing that the price in blink charging doesn't want to go up, this is where the buyers are at. It's relatively simple. Okay. It's just simple when you come through and actually investigate what the buyers and the sellers are actually trying to do. So we got sellers up here around $25.45. We got the buyers down here right now around $18.60, give or take. Okay. Now we know where they're at. We know where the buyers are at. We know where the sellers are at. If we're still in this downtrend though, right? Let's face it, blink charging is not in a upward trend. We're in a downtrend. Which of the areas, the buyers or the sellers, do you think is more likely to break? The overall weight is emphatically on the sellers. So they're pushing so much pressure down on the buyers that the buyers have a bigger job of trying to keep the price elevated. So our focus needs to be on the buyers. We need to see, will the buyers continue to show up here around that $18.60 price? Because if so, then it tells us that we could come in and buy the stock there. But if it doesn't look like they're going to hold price there, then we should not be buying the stock here. So let's take a look at this then. We're going to look at this on the monthly time frame. Okay. This is blink charge on the monthly. This is what the price action was last month for the month of April. That's not bullish. That is not bullish at all. And it combines with what the recent monthly price bars action has been. It still confirms that the weakness into the market and blink charging is still there. So the chances of us seeing price break below $18.60 or so, it is still there. Blink charge on a weekly. Okay. We're still seeing weakness. So our attention needs to be focused in on, okay, if we're not looking for the buyers to hold price here, then they have to come through here. Our next attention would be for it to come down to maybe $12. And then the next level is going to be around 8. Yes. Yeah, I know you guys don't think that that's something that can happen, but keeping it real, more than likely we can see that, especially on a longer term basis. This is blink charging on 2 weeks, 5 weeks, 3 weeks. This is the 5 weekly chart. We get it. We understand that the overall price in blink charging is not relatively bullish right now. So now let's go ahead, and I think we got what we're going to do. We're not bullish into the stock. The market here in blink charging continues to exhibit weakness to us, and we're going to look forward to price coming down. I would say around $13 to $12. Okay. So that would bring the next movement to the downside in blink charging. To around 36% to hit 12. For it to go to 13 or so, it's around 31%. Okay, that's it. Now, it doesn't mean that the price in blink charging is not going to go up, right? There will be bouts, there will be trading days to where the market in blink charging will go up. It will. But we already know where their problem is, though. It's around $25.45. So as long as the price doesn't trade above that, guess what? We're not going to be tricked. We are not going to be fooled into the market in blink charging. Okay. So check this out. I'm going to lower the market in blink charge. It might come down initially to 15 or 16. So I'm going to add that price target into the chart too. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. The first price target is going to be around $15 to $16. That gives us 20% moving to the downside. That's my first price target, meaning if price goes down to that level, I would be taking off some profitability, right? I would be taking some money off the table. Longer term, it would be around $13. That gives us around 31.33%. Okay. You guys can see right there, earnings is coming up May the 9th, or estimated to be on May the 9th. If we continue to be on the downtrend, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market go up, because we've already seen this stock lose value since April the 5th. It's already down 36% since April the 5th. So it's been about almost a month, and the price has been down 36%. So I think the market will try to utilize earnings and revenue on this day as an opportunity to bring price higher so that they can sell higher. That's it. But I'm not going to be tricked. I'm not going to be fooled into thinking that the market is now ready to go up, because that long-term chart, the monthly time frame, is definitely something that we need to talk about, that I wanted to address. Okay, so that is that. Now, as always, I come through and try to give you all the ability to try to do this for yourself. So without you actually utilizing any of your own money, just go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section and give me your price target, your price prediction as to where you think blink charging is going to be as we trade throughout the month of May. Just do 30 days. I'm not trying to ask for a price prediction in 30 years. Just 30 days. Where's the price going to go? I've shown you what I think. I've talked about why I think price and blink charts are going to go down. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.